Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I want to help like as in young YouTubers or fresh YouTubers or those people that are in YouTubing but they are not making much amount of money in YouTubing. So I want to help you guys. I want to recommend like 2 channels for you, the best 2 channels that if you have started following them and if you are watching so many of their content, you will learn a lot about YouTubing. Because in those 2 channels they didn't post anything like affiliate marketing, they didn't post anything like Ponzi scheme, how to make money online. No, all the focus is how to make money in YouTube, as in how to make money YouTubing. So all their content and all their videos is based on YouTube. So those 2 sites I want to recommend it to you guys. So first of all, I need to go and search for the first site for you guys so that you can be able to search it, see the logo, because there are so many people that they can create a channel and write it the same name with that channel that I'm trying to search now. So I want to just search the channel so that you see it and you see what the channel contain. So let me go and write. The first channel is VidiQ. VidiQ. As you can see, I wrote VidiQ. Then you now search. So when I now search, it will now pop up now. First, right now you're going to see the channel here. So look at it now. This is VidiQ. Let me just go straight to the channel. This is VidiQ. So immediately you search this channel, this is what you're gonna see. And look at their logo here. This is their logo. They have like 1.18 million subscribers. So, and look at the contents they normally used to have in their videos. Look at the title now. How to get more views on YouTube. So most of their content is based on YouTubing. Look at it now. How to get more views on YouTube. How to get more subscribers on YouTube. Watch this before you start YouTube channel. Look at it. YouTube monetization update. So they used to have all their content is based on YouTube, and any tips, any secret and tips they gave you in this channel is legit, and it will help you when you apply it while you are running your own content. So this is the first one. So let me get back to the second channel that I want to search now. So let me just search the second channel. The second channel is okay. The second channel is Tubebuddy. Tubebuddy, like this. Tubebuddy. So I hope you guys have seen what I wrote. So this is Tubebuddy. When I search it now, it will pop up. So look at it now. Look at Tubebuddy here. So this is the logo. Maybe you see this one. This is Tubebuddy. Even them too, they used to always create a content and post content based on YouTubing. They don't do any Ponzi scheme. They don't talk about any affiliate marketing. They don't talk about dropshipping or anything else. So this is it. And they have like 605,000 subscribers with 510 videos. So look at it now. So look at what they wrote here. Do you have any question about YouTube? To shows you that all their content is based on YouTube. Look at it now. So let me just go up here. Look at it now. This is what they post. How to use Tubebuddy to get more views on YouTube, step by step. Sure you have seen it. I hope you guys are following. So look at another content here. They say the Tubebuddy tutorial for beginners. That is 222. How to use Tubebuddy to get views on YouTube. So they have a lot of contents like pertaining. Let me just go straight to their channel. So this is their channel here. Your best friend on the road to YouTube success. That is their background art. That is their channel art, and this is what they will focus on. Your best friend on the road to YouTube success. So let me just go to their contents. Look at it now. Ex-YouTube employee reveal how to launch a channel. So all their content is based on YouTube. How Ryan Tran dominate YouTube. This is it. An ex-YouTube employee revealed how to grow your YouTube channel. So when you follow up their content, you will learn a lot from their content. So this is how their content used to be. So don't forget, the fourth channel is VidiQ, and the second channel is Tubebuddy. So you can easily go to your phone, open YouTube, search for those two channels. If you are a YouTuber and you want to grow your YouTube channel, search on YouTube, search those two channels. You can choose between them, choose the one that you can be able to be following and learning a lot of things about YouTube. And don't forget, please, if just click subscription button on this my channel, because I'll be recommending a lot of things for you. As far as it's internet stuff, I'll be recommending it for you guys. That the best, I will go deeply in research to bring out the best for you guys to dive into. Thank you.